All right, here's all of the wolves, and they all got their cars. And
Let's give our 2013 winners.
Reed, what did you got? Best use of texture. Can you hold your car up for me? And what is your car?
An alligator.
Awesome. Harrison, what did you get?
Well, in record time this year,
Most likely to survive boot camp.
Most likely to survive boot camp. And what would you call your car?
The tank.
The Tank. Awesome. Rylan, what do you got?
putting up the chairs, we're going to pull out the chair rack. And draw something. I want to say
Shiniest use of paint. Can I see your car? And what kind of car is that? What do you call it?
I don't know what I call it.
Well,
I haven't named it.
You never named it. Well, quick, make a name. The Shininator. Charles, what did you get?
Most likely to get a ticket.
Let me see your car. Did you name your car? Do you have a name for your car? Can you hold it up for me so we can see it? Awesome. Good job. And Zachary, what did you get?
So that's what I got. Most likely to float.
Let's see your car.
Please.
All right. Awesome.
What did I name my